Hi, my name is David Jones, otherwise known as the Friendly Marketer. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you would sign up to be a Kiari promoter, or if you want to be a customer, we'll cover that too. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this tutorial. Now, when you come to the website, my name is David Jones, so my website is listed here, davidjones.kiari.com/en. This is what you'll see when you go to the website. You'll see that there is a video here, and if I were to press play, this will take you through our almost 3-minute Kiari presentation video. I'm not going to go through that now, but certainly it's a very nice video. So what you want to do, you'll notice that here on the, well, what I want to alert you to first is when you are given a link, make sure that you see the name of your sponsor over here to the left. In my case, you'll see my picture as well as my sponsor number. You'll also see my name. Now on the right side, you have two options here. You can join as a customer, or you can join as a promoter. I'm going to click shop as a customer first, just in case that was your option. If you wanted to shop as a customer, after clicking that link, this is the page that you're taken to. You have the Kiari page. It tells you a bit about Kiari, and then it tells you shop as a customer. It says enter your referring promoter's 8-digit ID number. The number is already provided for you. So all you have to do is click the next box, which gives country. And depending on where your country is, you'll put the country in here. Let me click the box just to show you. You'll see that there's a drop-down menu of different countries. Now I am in Barbados, so I will click Barbados. You'll see Barbados here. And then all I do is click continue. When I click continue, it will take me then to the page where I choose my products. Now, if I wanted, say, the Kiari chocolate shake, then I will scroll down a bit here. I'll click add to cart. Then it will ask me if I want a serving bag, 28 serving bag, or it will ask me if I want single serve packs. I recommend the single serve packs, for the simple fact that when you take the single serve packs, if for argument's sake you wanted to give someone, say, a tasting of the shake, you can easily give away one of the single packs. Let me just take that out of the cart. If you had the 28 serving bag, you'll notice for the 28 serving bag, the cost is $80 US, and for the single serve packs is 84. So let's just add that to the cart, and you'll see it says up here my cart is 1, and you have the Kiari energy pill over here. I'll click add to cart. Again, it's a 60 tablet bottle. You can order it like that, or you can order the single serve packets where you will get 30 packets each containing 2 tablets. And the cost of this is normally $45. If you click the single serve pack, it will be an additional $4. So I'm going to choose that as an option. So it's now $49. I'm going to add that to the cart as well. Now you may be wondering why I chose to put the shake and the energy. Well, basically it's a 1-2. You take the shake first thing in the morning. Immediately after, you take an energy pill, and you're set for the day. Now I have 2 items in my cart. I'm going to scroll down here. You see next. I'm going to click next, and it asks me if I want auto delivery. So this is based on the assumption that having ordered the product and tried the product, I'm going to love it and I'm going to want to order it again. So this sets me up where I can choose auto delivery, where I click this button here. Yes, I want auto delivery. If I don't want auto delivery, where I want to control how I order the product, then I'll click here, no thanks. No, I don't want auto delivery. I will decide what I want to order. Now, if you click on delivery from the date that you first ordered, every time that date comes around each month, the system will generate a charge on your card and it'll ship you an order. So basically what I've ordered is also considered the Kickstart combo, which is a combination of the shake and the energy pill, as I mentioned before. And now it gives me the option of selecting my flavors, and it also asks here, it gives you the option of also upgrading to the single serve pack. So this is the auto delivery. This is not part of your order. This is basically setting you up for your future order. So I'll click next because I really didn't want to set up the auto delivery anyway. So from there, it will take me to my shipping and payment. And basically what you do here, you fill out your shipping information, you put your card information, you put your billing address, and once you get past this stage, again at the bottom here, you're going to click next. Now, I'm not going to fill out the information here, but what I will tell you is that when you get to the next page, which is the shipping page, it will show you then what your order is going to cost you for the product. It's going to show you what your shipping is for the product to your location based on the country that you selected. It's going to show you what your duties are going to be for when the product lands, and you have the option of paying those duties right now up front, so that when the product lands in your country, all they have to do is deliver the product straight to your door, and then you'll see the overall cost as in what your order will cost you. Actually, I'm going to take you inside my back office and show you what that page will look like, just to give you an idea of what it looks like. So let me take you to my back office. Now I'm here in my back office, and you'll see it. I'm at the page now where it tells me to review my order. And this is the page that you would have been taken to after the last page that I left you at, where you were in the process of doing your order as a customer. You'll see on this page, it shows me what I'm ordering, the Chiari Energy. Remember, we selected the option to give us the energy tablets in the single serve, where it has 2 tablets per pack, so that's $49. The same with the shake, and I chose chocolate, so a single serve packs, that's $84. So my total is $133. Now, had I opted to use the auto ship feature, the next time around my product is ordered, I would actually have saved a percentage. I think it's can't remember the percentage. I think it's 5 or what is 5%? Yeah, I would have saved 5% on my order. So instead of $133, it would have been 5% less. And here you see that my shipping for Barbados is an estimated 3 to 6 business days. So my shipping is $31.31, and then my taxes and duties are $24.35. So my overall order then is $188.66 US dollars. And I will just click here to complete the order, and that's all there is to it. So that's if you were ordering as a customer. Now, if you wanted to instead join Chiari as a promoter, which I believe is a more advantageous position to take, that will give you the option of not only just ordering product, but you will be a promoter, and that way you can introduce Chiari to others and earn money for sharing the product. So I'm just going to show you, I'm just going to take you to that option it's actually basically the same thing as what you're seeing here for the customer. The only difference though is that with the promoter, there is a $25 US promoter fee, and that covers you for the year. So I'm just going to take you back to the option. If we go back here, you'll see that it tells me I can click shop as a promoter. I'll click shop as a promoter. When I click that, it takes me then to this page here, join as a promoter, and you'll see it has in my number and it has Barbados. So well, that's probably the cookie, so I'll click continue, and it gives me now the option of the packages which as a promoter you started with. So this is it here. As a promoter, my options are as follows. I can get the Kickstart combo, which is the Chiari Energy, which is a 60 tablet bottle, and the Chiari Shake, which is the 28 serving bag. Now I will have the option of either putting the tablets as the packets, the single serve packets, likewise for the shake, or I could have the starter pack, which is giving me 2 bottles of the energy pills and 2 28 serving bags of the Chiari product. And we recommend the starter pack because this gives you more bang for your buck. You have a package that you can utilize for yourself, and you have one that you can give away as samples so persons can try it, love it, and certainly then they'll want to join you in your business. Now, the Kickstart combo pack will cost you $125 US, and the starter pack will cost you $250 US. You'll see it says down here, I would like to become a promoter and pay the $25 US fee. That's also down here. They actually do give you an option where you can be a promoter, but it says I'm not interested in purchasing product at this time. Some people do opt to use that, but my thing is this. If you're going to become a promoter, certainly you're going to want to become a product of the product, and you do so by using the product, experiencing the results for yourself, and then sharing those results with others. In other words, you try the product, you get the results, and you brag about it, and persons will then want to try what you're trying. They'll want to also have what you're having. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add to the cart the Kickstart combo here. It'll then give me the option of the flavors I'm going to take. I'm going to take chocolate. I'm going to click the option for the single serve. I'm going to add to the cart. You see it comes back to the same 133. And when I add it to the cart, you'll see now they're asking me if I want to have the auto delivery. And there you see I save 5%. But I don't want to do the auto delivery at this stage, so I'll click no thanks. I'll click next, and then it will take me then to the shipping and payment information. And I don't go past this point, but you would have seen from the other option I showed you when you were in my back office, the only difference then to the cost is that it will have an additional $25 in there. Now you don't, if you're going to be using this product for yourself, you don't have to get the single serve pack. So that's just my suggestion in case you don't want to buy the starter pack and you're going to go for the Kickstart. Then of course you'll have it in packets. And if you wanted to give someone a packet for them to try it, then certainly it's easy to give away. And if you are a customer and then you decide that you wanted to upgrade to a promoter, then all you have to do is pay the $25, and that is what you do. So that's basically it in a nutshell. This is how you you purchase. So just to recap, let me go back to the previous slide. What you do basically is you go to the website. The website is let me see if I'm not sure if I'm going to get it right. Here it is. It's davidjones.chiari.com/en. You have the option shop as a customer or join as a promoter. Depending on which you pick, it's going to take you to a page. You're going to see my my number here, 579-53216. That's my promoter ID number. And depending on which you chose, you go through the paces that I showed you, and that's how you will acquire your Chiari package. And like I said, The shipping is extremely fast. It's not very long. And that's it, folks. That's all there is to it. So I hope you are clear now on how you go about ordering your product. And you don't have to order the product as directed. For example, if you know that you want to have about 3 serving bags of the product, you order what you know you'll need. If you're going to have a lot of persons that you're going to want to give samples to, then you order the amount that you require. There's no limit, I should say, to what you can order. Or there, well, let me see. I don't expect you'll want to order more than 5 bags at a time, because I think that there is a cutoff point in terms of how many bags you can order at any one given time. But certainly, the sky's the limit. So I hope you got value. I hope you're clear now on how you go about ordering. Don't want to make this video too long. So this is David Jones, taking you through the paces on what you do when you want to order your Chiari product. I hope it's clear, and this is especially for newbies, new persons who have come into Chiari and you want to start to build your business, or if you want to join Chiari and you want to know how to go about doing it, well, you've seen it all here. So thank you for watching. Do have yourselves a good evening. David Jones, otherwise known as the Friendly Marketer, over and out.